The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Benson County in northeastern North Dakota, southwestern Towner County in northeastern North Dakota, until 8:00 a.m. Friday at 1:57 a.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Leeds, Knox, York and Pleasant Lake. Safety message: turn around, don't drown. Don't travel through flooded areas. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.